Enjoy the view of this 2023 Nissan Titan. You'll love the comfort of this handsome Titan. Its serene cabin, luxurious seating, and quick acceleration elevate every excursion. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, keyless start, satellite radio, heated mirrors, bed liner, lane keeping assist, four-wheel drive, adaptive cruise control. Rugged capability meets refined comfort in this well-appointed Titan. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.